Pleasure. Let's get back to the markets. A mixed picture as President Donald Trump says the U.S. will raise tariffs on imports of cars, trucks and auto parts from Canada to 50% beginning on January the 1st, 2027. Jeff Sica joins the show now. Jeff, great to see you. Let's look ahead to Nvidia on Wednesday if we can. Is, in your mind, Nvidia the ultimate stress test of the AI boom? What do you think?
Yes, Ashley, I think, and it is hail to the king when Nvidia puts out earnings. And keep in mind that back in May, Nvidia already said they're going to make $91 billion. So I think they're going to come in a little higher than that. But people aren't going to be looking so much at that print. They're going to be looking at their projections going forward. And they're going to, because a lot of that, about 85 billion of that, comes from data centers. So what investors are going to be focusing on is what the company has to say about the future and whether or not the hyperscalers are going to continue this astronomical spend that's been happening.
Yeah.
Because yes, we all agree that Nvidia is an iconic company, but we have to see whether the hyperscalers are going to keep feeding the machine so they could keep growing the way they've been growing. So it is the curse of high expectations sometimes.
Very good. Let's get to this. I want to talk about the rising bond yields, although they're inching lower now. But could they contribute to a potential credit crisis?
You know what, Ashley? Nobody ignores the bond market. So many people ignore the bond market. But yes, I think we are on the verge of a credit crisis. I believe that when you have, and to tie it back in with the hyperscaler AI spend in the corporate market, a lot of these data centers, they're being spent with borrowed money. So you see the Treasury, especially the 30-year Treasury, at a yield that we haven't seen since 2007. You have to be concerned that, number one, there's inflation, and number two, there's too much debt that needs to be refinanced. That's not even talking about the $1 trillion in real estate, commercial real estate, that needs to be refinanced. I've been saying it for a very long time. I'm starting to sound like a broken record, but I will say that we are in a credit crisis, and that credit crisis could get worse, so you have to pay attention.
You do. You have to pay the piper on those things. Jeff Sica, great stuff as always. Thank you, Jeff. Appreciate you.